Here's a quick method for making one of the best chocolate cakes you'll ever have. She needs no introduction. The cake speaks for itself. We've all been tempted. You know what I'm talking about. You've looked at your blender before, wondering if you could just blend everything together. So ditch the bowls, ditch the cups and measuring spoons, and let's make my 1-minute chocolate cake. As promised, we're gonna make this in a blender. The batter itself takes 1 minute to make, super simple and quick, but there is a method to it. You're gonna add the wet ingredients first and then the dry ingredients. If you were to add the dry ingredients first, they'll just sink to the bottom of your blender. They won't mix properly. You'll most likely end up over mixing the batter. You'll start crying. I'll have to console you. It's just not the ideal situation. So just remember what ingredients go in first. Now, because the batter is made directly in the blender, I like to weigh my ingredients directly in the blender. I've just placed it over a scale. Easy, simple, no extra dirty bowls or measuring cups. If you've never done this before, don't do it. Girl, don't do it. You'll just mess it up. Weigh the ingredients separately and then add them to your blender. I've added some lemon juice. You will not taste it. It's just to activate the baking soda. You can see it starts to foam up. That means it's ready to go and we're ready to blend this. Want to blend this on high for about 20 seconds. You can clearly see the flour and cocoa stick to the sides. Now imagine if you added those first, okay? Because we added those after the wet ingredients, you can just easily take a spatula and scrape the sides. Important safety disclaimer, unplug your blender before putting your hands or anything near the inside of the blender. Also, if you're using one of those fancy high-powered blenders, blend on medium for only 10 seconds as the blender is much stronger. Blend again for another 5-10 seconds. Do not overmix this. We just want the ingredients to combine. Give this one last scrape just to make sure everything is combined nicely, and that's it. Super easy. Your batter's ready. By the way, I want to mention that any type of blender works. If you don't own a blender, well, let me introduce you to today's sponsor, Karma, which is an app and Chrome extension that ensures you never miss a price drop or a coupon code. Stay tuned to the end of this video to learn how to enter their giveaway. I've been using Karma for about 3 months now, and I've gotten great deals, as you can see. It's super easy to use. You just download the Chrome extension, install it, and you can scan your favorite stores for coupons and price drops. So go to your favorite online store, select what you'd like to purchase, and the Karma extension will automatically pop up on the side of your screen. You save the products, and Karma will notify you via email or mobile push when the item you saved goes on sale, has a coupon, or comes back in stock. That way you can save time and money. You can create lists of other items you saved, and you can organize them into multiple wish lists so you can shop mindfully. Karma also scans the web for coupons and applies them automatically at the checkout. So there's a special feature if you use Karma on your computer, so the Chrome extension is definitely a must. Another awesome feature is their cashback feature where you can earn cash via PayPal when you shop from select retail partners. I'll leave the link in the description box. If you love to shop, especially online, Karma is a must to get the best price deal. You're going to pour this beautiful cake batter in an 8-inch cake pan, buttered, floured, and lined with parchment. Well, it's not floured, so no. Lined with parchment paper, and you're going to bake this baby in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. As always, you do want to do the toothpick test. If it's clean, the cake is ready. More information will be in the description box below. And by the way, if you're new to the channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. I post new videos every week. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for about 5 minutes, and then you want to turn her over. For the glaze, I wanted to keep things really simple, just like the cake. So many of you always ask me how to make a frosting without chocolate or cream or butter. This one's for you, honey. It's easy, delicious, and it's delicious. I said that. It's just powdered sugar, cocoa powder, and milk. You want to mix these together until you get this beautiful loose icing, which we're going to pour over the cake. I told you it was going to be easy. This is a great tip. I always say this to newbie I was about to say YouTubers. I always give this tip to newbie bakers who are not good at frosting cakes. Make a loose frosting and she will do the job for you. Tap the cake, that way the glaze runs down the side, and you just made a cake that looks professionally done. She looks gorgeous. We're gonna cut into this baby. I need to press replay here, okay? Again and again. The texture's amazing. Whether you're feeling lazy or you just want something quick, or maybe you're just new at baking, this is a cake anybody can make and appreciate. It was quick and easy, and this will be one of the best chocolate cakes you'll ever have. Before you go, Karma was so kind to sponsor today's giveaway. Comment below using hashtag Karma for a chance to win a $100 Amazon gift card.